What if one deal could reshape the industrial map of southern Africa and unlock billions of dollars in value? Well, it might be happening, and you'll want to hear the details. A $1 billion vision in motion. Sources confirm that Aliko Dangote, Africa's richest man, is preparing to invest up to $1 billion in a sweeping industrial complex in Zimbabwe, spanning cement manufacturing, coal mining, and power generation. The investment would mark one of Zimbabwe's largest private sector commitments in more than a decade, and another major bet by Dangote Industries on Pan-African industrial expansion. In recent days, Zimbabwean government advisors disclosed that the visit and approvals have been greenlit by President Emmerson Mnangagwa, paving the way for Dangote to meet top officials and finalize key terms. What the investment covers: cement factory and quarry. The proposed deal includes a new mega cement plant supported by a limestone quarry and grinding facility, vital for domestic construction supply and export potential. Coal mining. Tangential to cement production is the plan for a coal mine concession, which supplies the new plant and possibly other industrial power demands in Zimbabwe. Power generation. One of the biggest challenges Zimbabwe faces is reliable power supply. The investment package anticipates a captive power station to support the industrial complex and perhaps feed into the grid. Why this matters for Zimbabwe and Africa. A. Industrial leap for Zimbabwe. For a country struggling with power shortages, cement imports, and limited heavy industry, the Dangote deal could be a game changer. Thousands of jobs, improved infrastructure, and renewed investor confidence are on the line. Strategic expansion for Dangote. Dangote Industries already operates across 17 African countries. This new footprint in Zimbabwe signals his strategy of value chain integration, not just manufacturing, but mining, power, infrastructure. Localization and value-added exports. By producing cement locally rather than importing, Zimbabwe and the region may capture more value, reduce forex outflow, and enhance construction and industry. Pan-African industrializing narrative. The investment ties into broader continental goals under the African Continental Free Trade Area, which is intra-African supply chains, manufacturing, industrial hubs. Dangote's move reinforces that narrative. What's driving the timing? Zimbabwe's government has actively solicited large-scale foreign investment, aligning with its Vision 2030 agenda of becoming an upper-middle-income economy. Dangote's prior attempts in 2015 and 2018 to invest in Zimbabwe stalled. This time, the structure appears more rigorous with clear terms, site selection, and advisor facilitation. Strategic resource Atlantic. Zimbabwe has accessible limestone, coal reserves, and a construction market gap, all attractive to Dangote's cement and energy model. What's the risks and hurdles ahead? Regulatory and investment guarantee risk. Zimbabwe's earlier experience with foreign investment has been mixed. Regulatory shifts, currency instability, and licensing delays are known issues. Dangote will demand ironclad guarantees. Infrastructure and logistics. A modern cement plant and power station require good roads, ports, rail, reliable water, and coal feedstock. Zimbabwe's infrastructure remains under strain. Currency and financing challenges. $1 billion is a large commitment. The ability to repatriate profits, deal with currency risk of the Zimbabwe dollar, and ensure financing liquidity matter. Community and environmental impact. Mining, quarrying, and power generation come with community concerns, land rights, pollution, local employment, social license to operate. Execution risk. As seen in earlier stalled visits, large letters don't guarantee construction. Mobilizing contractors, procurement, local content, all must align. What to watch in the coming months? Agreements and signing. Look for official MOUs or contracts between Dangote and Zimbabwe dated in November/December 2025. Site preparation and launch. Which region will host the plant? Where are the quarry, mine, plant located? Government incentives. Tax breaks, duty relief, mining concessions, power offtake deals. Local job creation announcements. Does the project commit to thousands of jobs, local training, community development? First construction milestones. Clearance, earthworks, plant foundations, progress trackable by satellite or local reporting. Cement, coal, and power production projections. What capacity is targeted? E.g., millions of tons of cement, megawatts of power. Export orientation. Will the product be strictly for domestic Zimbabwe or aimed at Southern Africa and markets beyond? What this means for Nigeria and Zimbabwe. For Nigeria, Dangote's move shows Nigerian capital investment is going continental. Spillover benefits include stronger Pan-African trade, influence, and industrial leadership. For Zimbabwe, if this deal succeeds, it may signal that the country is open for business, a wake-up call to other investors, offering a platform for growth beyond mining. For the region, the deal may catalyze infrastructure, industrial corridors, and supply chains linking Nigeria, Zimbabwe, and Southern Africa, particularly with power and construction sectors. For African industrialization, it strengthens the argument that Africa needs homegrown industrial groups, building for Africa and beyond, not just foreign multinationals. Final reflection. This is not just a big business deal. It is a potential turning point for Zimbabwe's economy and for African industrial investment. If Dangote's US $1 billion commitment in cement, coal, and power comes to fruition, it could unlock decades of latent growth, jobs, and value creation. Yet, the real test lies ahead. Not the announcement, but the execution. Will the cement plant get built? Will the coal mine deliver? Will the power station operate? Will policy stay stable? Will finances hold up? Will local communities and environment be respected? For Africa's richest man, this is the next frontier. For Zimbabwe, this is a chance at transformation. And for the continent, this is the moment when industrial ambition meets possibility. Keep your eyes on the ground, because if this takes off, it could reshape the map.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this update and want to stay informed with fast, reliable news, don't forget to subscribe to Newsflash 360. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a story. Your next headline is just seconds away.